Work and personal tasks tend to pile up, making it impossible to keep everything in your head. In this video, we'll show you how to keep everything organized in Planfix, adding some much-needed order to both your work and personal lives. Let's start with a simple way to separate tasks. Simply add categories to your Planfix account. This is a custom list type field. Categories help you quickly divide tasks into personal and business. You can also organize tasks by project, then group those projects into two main sections: personal and business. Whichever method you choose, be it categories or project groups, you can use them to create filters or dedicated planner boards. This way, you always see exactly the tasks you need. Now let's set everything up. Navigate to Account Management, Custom Fields, Task Fields. Once there, create a new field and choose the list type. Now name the field, add values to the list, and assign colors. You can now add this field to the task card of any object. Use the search to quickly locate the field you want in your field sets. Then click to choose where the field should appear in the task card. If you want to rearrange the layout, you can simply move it around until you get what you want. In the end, your tasks will be neatly divided by categories. Now let's look at how to separate tasks using projects. First, go to Projects and create the groups you need. Enter a name and save the group. Then create a project and add it to the corresponding group. You can also add sub-projects inside each project. This is a great way to organize your personal tasks by area, such as travel, nutrition, and car maintenance. You can either create tasks directly inside a sub-project or select the sub-project manually when creating a task. Finally, let's look at how to separate tasks using filters. To create a filter, go to the Task section and add a new table. Next, set the name, color, view, and filtering parameters. In our example, these parameters are the project group and the corresponding category. Now save it and create a second filter using the same method. Here's what the separated tasks look like when filtered. Before we go, let's demonstrate how to display your categorized tasks inside the planner. Start by going to the Planner section and adding a new planner. Next, give it a name. Then create the first list for your personal tasks. Choose the cards view so that each task displays more detailed information. Now set the name, color, and selection parameters. In the filters, add the conditions you previously configured, such as category or project. Now save the list. If you need to create a second one quickly, all you need to do is duplicate it. Open the settings and make the necessary adjustments so this second list shows only business tasks. And that's it. You now have several ways to organize your tasks in Planfix and keep both your work and personal responsibilities clearly structured and easy to manage.